Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to send GIFs and Google Messages GIF. So first I want you to make sure that you have the last version of Google Messages, and also to make sure that your app is up to date. And after that, I want you to go through your app Google Messages, and after that I want you to choose the conversation that you want to send a GIF to, and or that one that you want to send a message that contain a GIF to. So for me, I will go through that one, and after that I want you to look for the search for the text bar, sorry. So right here you will see multiple options. I want you to go through this plus icon, tap on it, and right here you can see gallery, GIF, and stickers, files, location, etc. So we are looking for GIF. Tap on the GIF one option, and right here you will see different GIF. And you can also by tapping on this icon, the search icon, you will be able to look for the GIF that suits you and that one that you want to send to your contacts. For example, let's tap video games. Okay, so here you will see different people and different characters that playing games, etc. So by tapping on one of them, like that one, you will be able to send this GIF directly to the contact that you want to send the GIF to. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and bye bye.